sipping on a Bloody Mary today. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, and today I'm partnering with FabFitFun to show you their summer box. If you're unaware, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that features full-size products in things like fashion, beauty, home decor, and much more. And I'm so thrilled to share that if you use my code Domesticated10, you will get $10 off of your first box. FabFitFun is only $39.99, but you actually get more than $200 worth of products in each box. And it is customizable, so you can actually switch out products that better fit your lifestyle. But again, if you sign up using my code Domesticated10, you will get $10 off that first box. So amazing, right? FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. And what I really appreciate about FabFitFun is that they partner with charities and female-founded organizations each season. This particular box is partnered with the Special Olympics. As you guys know, I am all about self-care right now. It's very important for us to take time to take care of ourselves so that we can then take care of others, which is, I know, the current situation for probably most of us. The theme for this FabFitFun box is self-care, so I'm really excited to dig in and see what's inside. So without further ado, let's open this baby up. Here is the box with the fun bright print that they always do for their boxes, and here it says it's in support of Special Olympics. So I love that there's always a philanthropic component to their boxes. Really appreciate that. Here is the FabFitFun magazine that comes with every box. This has really fun and interesting articles, but also gives you information about some of the products that are inside the box. So I'm going to set this aside, and then we have here a gift card for Green Chef. And here are all of the goodies. I'm going to start pulling these out one by one. So the first thing I see here that caught my eye is the Isaac Mizrahi Loves XO Sienna. This is a ceramic decorative vase. How fun that box is. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, this would go perfectly right here behind me. This is going right behind me. Oh, so pretty. Beautiful. I love that this part of the ceramic is matte, and then this right here is the pink. It's glossy and shiny. Goes so well with my personal decor, so absolutely love this. Then we have here, this is from Mason Home Scent Collection. This is the Solstice Diffuser. This right here is actually from Pottery Barn. It says right here, modern forms, reactive glazes, natural botanicals, and ambient fragrance notes characterize our Mason Home Scent Collection. Wow, this is beautiful. It's kind of like a very dark, like almost a gunmetal-y brassy gold. Really beautiful. And so you would pour in the fragrance in here and then have this out like that. I love this personally. I love anything that will make my home smell good, so I love this. Oh, this is gonna come in super handy. It smells good. It's sealed and it has the plastic, but I could still smell it. It smells really nice. Oh, really excited to have that out. Ooh, this is by Zoe Ayla. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. This is the Face and Body Ice Roller. Cool, look at that beauty. It says right here, enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Ayla. Gets rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightens and rejuvenates skin. Achieve radiant, glowing skin in just minutes. Love that. So it says here, leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. The ice roller can also be used on the body to soothe bug bites, sunburns, tense or sore muscles post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. That is really cool. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's called The Giving Keys, Ending Homelessness Through Employment. This is a mini collection necklace. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? It's a beautiful silver tone chain with like a little silver tone key. It says here in the back, choose and embrace your word. Pass it on to someone you feel needs the message. Support jobs for people transitioning out of homelessness. The Giving Keys from Los Angeles, California. Really cute. Oh, I'm going to have to look into this I have to look into this organization. This is from Murad. It is their Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. Very cool. Okay, it says here, formulated with vitamin A, C, and E, this energizing cleansing gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without over drying your skin. Use AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. This is from Tarocco. This is their foot cream and it's Sicilian blood oranges. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh, it's making me miss Italy. God, I can't wait to travel. I really can't. And Italy with my family is definitely on my bucket list. God, this smells really good. And this is definitely going to come in handy because I haven't had a professional pedicure in months. So, but I'm doing okay with the at-home treatments. How about you guys? And last but not least, this is from Business and Pleasure Company. It says luxury lifestyle goods. Is this like the little cooler? Oh, so cute, so pretty, really well made. Love the quality of this. Oh, it's a cooler. Cannot wait to take this out. I think we're gonna be able to travel soon. So yeah, this is gonna come in super handy. Oh, very nice. So that is everything that came in my FabFitFun box. I loved everything. I love that it's helping me create like a Zen environment in my home with the beautiful vase to put in some flower buds, the beautiful scent right here. I'm really appreciative of products like the foot cream and the roller. I think that's really gonna help me have my little spa moments because as part of my self-care routine at home, I am taking time to take care of me, to do like a little spa treatment here and there, a face mask, a steam, taking care of my skin, taking care of me in all sorts of ways. So I really appreciate all of these products. All these products are going to come in really handy. And I am so excited to one day, hopefully soon, take out this cooler for a spin. So really enjoyed this. So that was everything that came in this FabFitFun box. It is still available and linked below in the description box below. Please share it with anyone who you think deserves a little self-care and who would be interested in getting this box. Again, use my code Domesticated10 for $10 off your first box. So you will be getting more than $200 worth of products for just $29.99. That is a major bang for your buck. So definitely take advantage of that. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to use the description box below to ask any questions, make any requests, ask me about any item particular that you're interested in, ask me if you want me to do a demo or anything else. You guys know that I love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.